In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your GoDaddy domain to Framer. Now this will be a step-by-step tutorial, and at the end, you'll have your domain connected. So what you need to do is go to Framer first, and then go to your profile icon in the top right-hand corner. Then click on Projects, and then that will take you to the dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the website you want to connect a domain to, and then go to Settings in the top right-hand corner. Then click Domains on the left here, and that will take you into the domain section. You currently have a URL given to you by Framer, but if you scroll down, you can add a custom domain. So if you go ahead and click Connect a domain you own, it will allow you to connect a domain from GoDaddy or any other domain registration company. Do know though, you might have to upgrade. So if there is an upgrade button here, you'll have to upgrade to a premium plan. So once you've made that upgrade, go to GoDaddy, go to your profile icon, go to My Products, and we'll find a domain together. I'll then go My Account, we'll go Domains, and that will show you a list of all of your domain names. For the video, we'll use searchablehowto.com, so I'll click inside of this domain. What I'll then do is copy it, and we'll head back to Framer. I'll type www, then paste in this domain, then click the tick. Now what it's going to do, it's going to ask us to add 3 DNS records. One's going to be a CNAME and then 2 A records. So what we'll do first is we'll copy the value of the CNAME record. We'll then go to the back end of our domain. We'll click on DNS. Then you need to go ahead and add these DNS records. So if you've already got a CNAME record or A records, you do need to delete them. So click on the trash can icon and delete them. Then go add new record. We'll first add the CNAME, so go ahead and choose CNAME. For name, type www, and then for the value, paste in sites.framer.app. Again, we've got this from here. So then click save, and that should then update those. Now we need to go ahead and add the A record, so copy the first value of the A record, then go add new record. Go ahead and go type, choose A, then here put @ and then paste in the IP address value, and then click save. Then you should have done that. Now we'll copy the last value, and again this is another A record, so add new record, A record, we'll type in here @ and we'll paste in the value and then click save, and that should update that. So now we should have 2 A records and 1 CNAME record, so that's all good to go. Now we need to wait for this to connect. Let's go ahead and refresh it first, and we can check it then after. Now it currently says pending. It might connect straight away, but it can take up to 48 hours. If you click on your domain, you can see if it's working. And in my case, it is working straight away, so that's a good sign. You're just going to have to wait for this to go from pending to connected. Oh, there you go. It's happened already. So that was pretty quick, right? If you've done everything correct, it will connect. It can take up to 48 hours though. But as you can see, my domain has now connected.